Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Now I am going to discuss 6th standard exercise 5.2 6th sum. Reduce each of the following fraction to its lowest term. I am going to reduce the numerator as well as the denominator. How I am going to reduce the number? If I take HCF for this, it is easy to reduce the number. Listen, I am taking the HCF, highest common factor. So listen, 45, 55, I am going to take the HCF. 5 is a prime number, is it? I can do only by the prime number. So 5 nines are 45, 5 levels are 55. Is it clear children? So again I cannot, this 9 and 11 can divide by the same number. So I can stop up to this. Okay, 5 nines are 45. Instead of 45 place I have to write this 9, and instead of this 55 I have to write 11. Why? Because of I am dividing this with 5. Got it? So what is my answer? 9 by 11. Got it? When I am coming for this, I am going to take the HCF for both the 124 as well as 132. So 124, 132. Let me see the HCF for this. Listen children, 2 table. Because both the numbers are even numbers, so I can cancel this by 2 table. 2 62s are 124. Next, 2 66 are 132. Got it? Next, 2 table. 2 31s are 2 33s are. Again I cannot cancel this by same table. 31 and 33 are there. So I cannot cancel this. So I have to stop up to this. So instead of that 124, if I cancel by 2 table, what is my answer? 62 and 66. Got it? Again I cancel this by 2 table, means what I can get? 31. This is what? 33. So my answer is 31 by 33. Still the prime number, we have to divide the HCF. Can you clear this children? How I am going to find the HCF? Still the prime numbers, I am going to stop up to that. Okay, shall we move on to the next sum? Listen. Check if the following fractions are equivalent. They are given 2 fractions and I am going to check whether the 2 fractions are equivalent. Listen, 3 by 5 as well as 6 by 15. I have taken the 2 fractions. What I am going to do means, just I cross multiply. Okay, once if I can cross multiply, both the LHS and the RHS products are same, then it is a equivalent fraction, or else it is not a equivalent fraction. Can you clear this children? Just you cross multiply. Listen, 3 into 15 as well 6 into 5. Got it? 3 into 15, 6 into 5. Now 3 15s are 45, 6 5s are 30. Whether your product are same? No, it is not same. So what you have to do? It is not an equal. 45 and 30 are there. So it is not a equal. Now I am going to write the answer. 3 by 5 is not equal to 6 by 15. Okay, here no, the product is not equal, therefore the given fraction is also not equal. Shall we move on to the next sum? Now listen, 10 by 45 and 50 by 135. Listen, just cross multiply the fraction 10 by 45, 50 by 135. What is the two fraction they are given? As it is, I have written. And cross multiply this two. What is it? 10 into 135 as well 50 into 45. See, this is what 1350, that is 1350. And here listen, 45 5s are, just you multiply by 5 and put the 0 as it is. 5 5s are 25, 2 carry over, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 2 is what? 22. Here also the given fraction are not equal. See the product are not equal. Therefore, I can write the answer to be 10 by 45 is not equal to 50 by 135. Can you understand? Just take the fraction and cross multiply. Once if your product is same, then it is a equivalent fraction, or else it is not a equivalent fraction. Which is greater of the following pairs? They are given a two fraction. Here I am going to find out which one is the greater, whether in the left hand side or in the right hand side. So listen, 6 by 10, 4 by 15. Same thing, what I have find out for equivalent, same thing, just you can do that. Listen, 6 into 15 and 4 into 10. Here also find the product and which side is the greater, that you have to see. Listen, 5 6 are 30. So 3 carry over, 6 ones are 6, 6 plus 3 is what? 90. So 6 15s are 90. Next, 4 10s are 40. Obviously, which one is greater for you? 90 is greater. Just go for the question. So the left hand side is what? Greater. So 6 by 10 is greater than 4 by 15. Can you clear this, children? What I have do for the equivalent fraction, the same thing I am following here. Only the thing, just you cross multiply. Find the product. If it is a equal, if they are asking in the question equivalent fraction, if it is a equal, you put the equal, or else greater means see the product, left hand side is greater or the right hand side is greater. According to that, you have to write the answer. Can you clear this? Same thing, 5 by 8, 7 by 9. Just cross multiply this. 5 9s are 45, 8 7s are 56. So listen, which one is greater here? 56 is a greater number. When I am comparing with 45, 56 is a greater. Now you can write the answer. Okay, 5 by 8 is less than 7 by 9. You have to write which is greater of the following pair. You have to write. So answer 7 by 9 is greater. Here also you can write one more step. 6 by 10 is greater. Got it, children? Okay, the same thing what we have done for the seventh sum, the same thing. Now I am going to arrange the fraction in ascending order. Now I am going to arrange the fraction in ascending order. How can I arrange the fraction? Once if it is a like fraction, I can arrange. If it is an unlike fraction, I have to make it to be a like fraction. How can I make it to be in a like fraction? By using the LCM. Okay. Once if I do the LCM and all my denominators are become what? Same. Once if your denominator same, it is a like fraction. Can you clear this, children? So listen. Ascending order. How can I arrange this ascending order? Small to big. Ascending order is I am going to arrange a small to big, as well I am going to use a symbol, which symbol? Less than symbol I am going to use for the ascending order. Can you clear this, children? Ascending means what? A small number to big number I am going to arrange. In middle that number I am going to put the less than symbol. Got it? Now listen. See that now I am going to find out the LCM. Because I have to make my denominator to be what? Same. So 12, 9, 8. Okay. Now listen, 3 table I can do. 3 4s are 12. Got it? 3 3s are 9. And 8 I cannot divide, so just write as it is. Next I will move on to the 3 table. 4 I cannot divide in this, so write as it is the 4. And 3 1s are 3. Next 8 I cannot divide, so as it is you can write. Now 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 1 as it is you write, because I can 1 as it is you write, 2 8s are 2 4s are is what? 8. So write 4. Got it? Next 2 1 1, 2 2s are 4. Next what is this? 2 1 1 1. Now you can write your LCM. What is your LCM? Listen, 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. So listen, children, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are what? 8. So 9 8s are 72. Your LCM is what? 72. So I have to make my denominators to be what? 72. Listen. 7 by 12 is there. Got it? 7 by 12. So once if 12 is there, how can I make it to be what? 72? 12 is there. What I multiply, I can get 72. 12, 6 are 72. So denominator you have to multiply by 6. What you are doing in the denominator, the same thing you have to multiply in the numerator. Can you clear this, children? I have to make my denominator 72. So 12 into 6 is 72. So I am multiplying into 6. Same thing I have to do it in where? Numerator. Next one, see this. Now you can multiply the 6 7s are 42 by 72. Okay, this part is over. Next, 5 by 9 is there. Okay, 9 is there, but I have to make it to be what? 72. What is there? 9 is there in the denominator. I have to make it to be 72. So what I have to multiply? I have to multiply by 80. Got it? Here also into 8 into 8. 5 8s are 40, 9 8s are 72. Got it? Now this part is over. Now I am going to make 3 by 8 to be a like fraction. So 8 is in the denominator. What if I multiply? I can get 72. Already 8 is there. What I have to multiply to become 72? 8 9s are 72. So 3 by 8 I have to multiply by what number? 9. So 3 9s are what? 27. 9 8s are 72. Now I make all my 3 fractions to be what? Like fraction. Now I can arrange from what number? Small to big. See this? 42, 40, 27. What is that? 42, 40, 27. Which is the greater, smaller here? 40 is the smaller. So I can arrange this first. And 27 is a smaller number. So first. And this is what your second number. And this is your third number. So 27 by 72 is a smaller number. Next 40 by 72 and finally 42 by 72. See this. First means what I have to write? 3 by 8. Write the question. Okay. 3 by 8, comma. What is the second? 5 by 9, comma. And what is your third one? 7 by 12. Okay. You can write 3 by 8 less than 5 by 9 less than 7 by 12. Can you clear this, children? 7 by 12. Okay. Shall we move on to the next sum? Now listen. See this, they are given in the mixed fraction. The first step, I am going to change this into improper. The first step, what I have to do? Change the mixed into improper. After getting improper, I am going to write the LCM. I am going to find out the LCM. After finding the LCM, it is to be what fraction? Like fraction. Then I am going to arrange this into the ascending order. So these are the 3 steps I am going to done in this sum. Is it clear? Listen. So how can I make this? Into plus, into plus, into plus. Okay. Mixed I am going to convert into a improper fraction. Listen. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 is what? 13 by 6. Next. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is what? 15 by 4. Write the denominator as it is. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 5 is what? 13 by 8. Yeah. The step 1 is over. Just I have written into the improper fraction. Now I am going to find out the LCM. Listen, 6, 4, 8, I am going to find out the LCM because I am going to make to be what? Like fraction. So listen, 2, I have to do only by the prime number. So 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 3, 1, 2, 4. Next 2, 1, 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. Again 2, 1, 1, 1. Listen children, what is my LCM? 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Listen, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So 6 4s are is what? 24. So your LCM is 24. Now listen, 13 by 6 is there. 6 is there, how I have to make it to be 24? 6 is there, how can I make it to be what? 24. 6 4s are 24. So just you multiply by 4 numerator as well as in the denominator. As well, 4 is there. How I have to make it to be 24? 4, 6 are 24. So, write this 15 by 4 into 6. Got it? Next, 8 is there. What I have to multiply? I can get 24. 8 3s are 24. So, write this 13 by 8 into 3. Okay. Now listen, now you can multiply the numerator as well as the denominator. Denominator I can get what? Common 24. Listen, 4 3s are 12, balance 1, which is what? 52 by 24. When I multiply this, what is that? 6 5s are 30, so 0, 3 carry over, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 3 is what? 90 by 24. Listen, 13 3s are 39 by 24. Now I can make to be what? Like fraction. By introducing the LCM, I make it to be what? Like fraction. Now I am going to arrange this in ascending order. Got it, children? See, this ascending means what? Small to big. See, this is your number 1. Just you see the numerators and then you arrange, because your denominators are what? Same. So, you can arrange in, you can see the numerator and you can arrange. So, 39 by 24, it is the smallest number, and 52 by 24. Next one is what? 90 by 24. Now see the first one, 13 by 8, no, just you can write the answer as it is. See, what is that? 13 by 24, which one is that? 1 5 by 8. And for the ascending, I have to use the less than symbol. And see the second one, which is that 13 by 6. Just see the 13 by 6, which is what? 2 1 by 6. Got it? And finally, third one, 15 by 4. It is in middle. So, what is that? 3 3 by 4. Got it, children? So, according to this, I can arrange. First, change the mixer into improper and make it to be like fraction, and then you can arrange. Now, see your 10th sum. Arrange the given set of fraction in descending order. The same thing you have to arrange into big to small. Ascending means small to big. Descending means what? Big to small. The steps, everything are same. Once while you are arranging in the answer alone, just you have to arrange from greater to smaller number. Got it? Shall we move on to the sum? Here, change the mixed into improper. So, into plus, into plus, into plus. Got it, children? Now, listen. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 is what? 19 by 6. Okay. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 is what? 7 by 4. Next, 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 5 is what? 21 by 8. Children, take the LCM for this. 6, 4, 8. Take the LCM. Listen. Here, descending means I am going to arrange from big to small. As well, what symbol I am going to use here? Greater than symbol I am going to use. So, listen. Take the LCM for this. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 3 ones are 3, 2 I cannot divide, 4 I cannot divide. So drag as it is. 2, 1, 1, 2. So listen, 2, 1, 1, 1. So your LCM is what? 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. The LCM is what? 24. Now listen, 19 by 6 is there. 6 4s are 24. So denominator as well as numerator into 4. Now listen, 7 by 4. So into 6. Got it? As well as 21 by 8. So into 3. 8 3s are what? 24. Now listen, 4 9s are 36. 3. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. So 76 by 24. Next, 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42 divided by 24. Next, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 63 by 24. So I can arrange into the like fraction. Now I am going to arrange this in the descending order. See this, which is a greater one here. 76, 42, 63, which is greater? 76 is a greater. So I am going to arrange this in what? First. Next one is what? 63 is greater. Next third one is what? 42. So I am arranging from greater to smaller. Now you can write the answer to be, listen, see the first one. First one belongs to what? 19 by 6, and 19 by 6 belongs to what? 3 1 by 6. I said that use a greater symbol. Got it? Now see the second one, which is what? Last one. So 2 5 by 8. Greater than symbol. Next one is what? Third one, 1 3 by 4. Got it, children? So arrange like this and then you can get the answer. Thank you, children.